Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel 1 2 Step. Today, in this video, let's learn about how to get first job in Upwork without experience. So let's get started. While for getting a job in Upwork, there are a few important things we need to know. For the first time we are doing a job, we need to choose some of the small projects as they have small payment as well. After that, we need to make sure you have completed the profile. For that, we can go in this completed profile option. So let's tap on this and make sure you include all of the information here. And also what we can do is we can filter and choose the jobs as per our skill. Now if you choose any job, for example, let's get into it and click on apply now. Here we have got few requirements. We need to write a cover letter as well. So make sure you study the job properly and you understand what the actual requirement is and include the given topics in your cover letter and simply send it. So that is all we can do to get a job if it is your first time and you have got no experience. I hope you like the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.